In this video, I'm going to be telling you about a vessel that has been on and off the market recently, and it is now available as a project for an astute buyer to take over in order to have a highly customized Blohm+Voss yacht that will be, once again, one of the leading mega yachts in the world. It was built by a knowledgeable yachtsman who was a Saudi royal, and it was delivered by Blohm+Voss in Hamburg in 1990. It certainly was a well-known fixture in Monaco at the Grand Prix, at the Cannes Film Festival, but also the Prince has an oceanographic institute and is highly involved in ocean conservation efforts. So the vessel traveled around the globe, and when you see the specs, you'll understand that he built it specifically to be a world cruising mega yacht. So it's by no means a new boat, but I want to point out that throughout its life it was maintained in Hamburg by Blohm+Voss, and it was rebuilt regularly. In 2017, the Prince ordered and took delivery of a much larger Lursen yacht under the same name, Golden Odyssey, and this vessel was sold to a group that intended to convert it and put it into charter service. So the plan with the new owners was to do a major conversion and update the vessel in every respect, and also extend the hull. This is a 5-meter addition on the transom, while the core hull is essentially the same at 80 meters. The extra 5 meters gives you a massive swim platform. It also created a sort of a waterfall and an infinity pool out of the existing pool. And this is very much in keeping with the designs of the new Ocean Coast and a number of other vessels. They also opened up and reconfigured the deck space. It's a very intelligent design and very tasteful. However, the point is that they were not able to complete their refit, and the vessel is now for sale, sitting in Athens, or just outside Athens in Piraeus, in a shipyard. So it is available for sale now as a project, and the point there is that whoever purchases the vessel would have the option of either having the existing owners complete their refit at a certain budget and time frame and have it delivered completed, or a new owner might decide to take the vessel over to a shipyard like Lisbon, which is Benetti's refit yard in Viareggio. It would be also not difficult to take it to Ancona, to CRN. Either of those yards would do a great job to complete this refit. You've got Pendennis in England that would do a stellar job in completing this. Or the option certainly exists to take it back to its birthplace in Hamburg at Blohm+Voss, which is now owned by Lursen. That would presumably be more expensive than taking it to Italy, for instance, or even to Turkey. However, it would maintain the pedigree of this yacht. And one shouldn't discount the value of the Blohm+Voss pedigree. Here are some of the other Blohm+Voss yachts that have been built. It's a legendary shipyard that has never really mass-produced yachts on any level. I would say that alongside Lursen and Fedship, that Blohm+Voss is one of the most prestigious yacht building brands in the world, and that will benefit a new owner when it comes to resale. The opportunity presented here is to have an 85-meter, 280-foot Blohm+Voss world cruising mega yacht that presumably can be bought right and then finished in the style and to meet the mission of a new owner. So you would essentially have a completely renewed yacht with extraordinary capability. It has a 9,100 nautical mile range. It has a top speed of 18 knots. To match this sort of performance and size in a new yacht today, you would be spending well over 100 million euros. What makes this proposition attractive is the Blohm+Voss pedigree, extensive range and speed of the existing hull platform, the fact that it is most of the way through the refit, and it's estimated that it can be finished in 7 months. And then it gets down to how much you're going to pay for picking up the project on an as-is basis, and what are you going to spend to finish it to meet your needs and your tastes. And that, of course, remains to be seen. And that's also where a knowledgeable broker comes in and can help you with the acquisition and setting up the project in another shipyard. we would love to help a new owner do that. This is a really exciting project to us. In Europe, get in touch with my colleague Bill Thiem at Globe Regal Yachting. Here is his number and email. And if you're in the Americas, give me a call or drop me an email and we will start the conversation.